Good morning, students. Our next topic is Clostridium botulinum. So, morphology of Clostridium botulinum. It is a gram-positive bacilli, non-capsulated bacilli measuring in size 4 to 8 into 0.8 to 1.5 μm in size. It is a motile with the help of peritracheous flagella. The spores are oval, bulging and subterminal in position. Their cultural characteristics is it is are strict anaerobes growing at optimum temperature of 37 degrees Celsius and their pH also 7.4 and nutrient agar media. After 48 hour incubation, colonies appears as irregular, glistening and granular surface. Colonies show buttery consistency and emulsify easily. And next of all, cooked meat medium. Meat particles turn black in color with production of gas after 24 hours of incubation at 35 degrees Celsius. Next of all, blood agar medium. Zone of hemolysis is seen around colonies. Next of all, lactose egg yolk milk agar medium. They produce opalescence in medium. And next of all, pathogenicity of this bacteria. The organism is non-invasive and the pathogenicity is due to preformed toxins in the food contaminated with the spores of the organism. The disease produced is called botulism, which is of three types: foodborne botulism, infant botulism, wound botulism. There is three types of pathogenicity and botulism. First of all, foodborne botulism. It is rare disease causing by ingestion of preformed toxins in food contaminated with Clostridium botulinum. Foodborne botulism is caused by Clostridium botulinum type A, B and E, rarely by type C and G, and source of infection is usually preserved food stored in vacuum sealed container such as meat, especially pork, home preserved vegetables, fish and other foodstuffs including various seafoods. Their symptoms appearance after 12 to 36 hours that including vomiting, thirst, dry mouth, dry throat, blurred vision and constipation, ocular paresis and difficulty of swallowing. Next of infant botulism. The disease affect infant usually 6 months old and occur due to ingestion of food contaminated with spores of organism and not due to preformed toxins. Honey has been reported as source of infection. The organism in the gut of infected produce toxins which cause symptoms of constipation, weakness, lethargy and cranial palsy. In case of heavier toxemia, the disease may become fatal. And third of all, wound botulism. It is a rare condition that results from infection of wound with Clostridium botulinum Type A, the toxin produced at the site of infection is absorbed in blood, resulting in various neurological manifestations like oculomotor and pharyngeal paralysis. And their laboratory diagnosis is hematological investigation, bacteriological investigation. Bacteriological investigation include demonstration of toxins, observation, demonstration of organism, and last of biochemical test. Hematological investigation is a not significant in this diagnosis. And their treatment is active immunization with toxide and trivalent antitoxin administered intravenously in case of outbreaks.